So now we're going to show you how to do an engine shampoo of your vehicle. We're going to use Krown's all-purpose cleaner degreaser. So before spraying down the engine, you want to cover up the air intake and the battery terminal. Now after you spray the degreaser, you're going to allow it to dwell for a few minutes. Now that you've given the degreaser time to emulsify that heavy buildup of oil, you can pressure wash the vehicle and it should be easily removed. Now that the engine bay has been cleaned, you can use Krown Silicone Spray, which can double as a quick detailer to spray down all the plastic components of the engine bay. This is going to bring it back to its original shine and make the vehicle look like new. Now, if you don't have a pressure washer, this task might be hard to do, but we do recommend doing an engine shampoo. Oftentimes, an individual who's looking at your vehicle wants to see what's under the hood. So by taking the time to do an engine shampoo, it's a very simple thing you can do to increase the value of your vehicle. It helps a potential buyer to appreciate that you're someone who cares about maintenance.